I was thinking that maybe you want to be my boyfriend. No pressure, okay? You think about it.